Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching. I wanted to jump on quickly and let you know that this video is a part of a collaboration. This is the Glam Elegant Living Society Winter Collaboration. Now I've left links to all of the ladies down in the description box, and I hope you will go and visit the all of the channel links as well as the playlist. All right, everyone. And if you're not a member of this channel, I hope that you'll decide to subscribe today. I'd love to have you be a member of the family. You may also know my other channel, which is DIY Design by CCW. All right, everyone. Thank you again. And like I say at the end of every video, I can't wait to see you, each and every one of you, in the next video. All right, everyone. Have a wonderful day or a wonderful night, and happy holidays. Bye-bye.